Good morning. So what I want to do today is to help all of you create communities. I'm a keynote speaker and I talk a lot about personal branding because it's a really important part of who we are. Now, I was going to walk on stage today with a paper bag over my head. Tell people what's so special about you. All you need at the beginning is just a little bit of confidence to get you out there and start doing it. It's not going to happen overnight, but you do start to see results very quickly. You're all going to have to stand up now because we're going to play a game. We're all going to play bingo. Okay, here's the first statistic for the night, folks. Are you ready? The first 90 minutes of your post going out are the most important. Let's all do what we call the power pose. Right, arms up, shoulders back, stand wide. Woohoo! How powerful do you feel? Brilliant. I always wanted to be on Jackanory, and now's my chance. The heading of this bit is the psychology of why people buy. Oh, yeah. It's brand awareness, it's conversations, building relationships. What I want to help you do is to feel that confidence in your work environment and for you to empower your teams. You are all different. You all work in a different way. So your USP is you. It's you. So I've been Sarah Clay.